Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're walking through something that's actually really cool within the new Google Analytics 4 properties, and that is going to be the events tag. And you can find this within engagement right under the overview tab. It says events. And here we get an idea of the total events that have been taken by all users on our website, the actions that they're taking, and then also we can start to put together a story of how they are actually interacting with our site. So the very first thing that we're seeing here is an overview of all of our events from the past week, tracking them in terms of number of triggered events or the number of times that event has actually happened. So what we can see here is both a overview of this information in a graphical as well as a event count in terms of, I'm not actually sure what this graph is called, but we've got two different types of graphs here. And this is kind of nice to get an overview of the event count by the total number of users. So we can see we've got the highest amount of, I guess, event counts on the page view, which makes the most sense. We've got the most amount of trigger events happening for page view events. So after that, it looks like we've got session starts. We've got first visits, user engagements, user scrolls, and beyond that, we also got a few other touch points. We got total users and then event count. Not actually sure, not 100% on those. We need to do a little bit more information and digging up on those. But here we also got basically the same view as kind of universal analytics. It is definitely a lot cleaner and a little bit easier to kind of navigate here. So if we go ahead and click into any of these specific properties, what we can end up seeing is a overview of this exact property, in this case page view, and then we've got all of the different pages that they landed on and the, I guess, campaign. So if we want to filter this down by engagement type, the entrance page that they came on, the Google Analytics session ID, we got the session number, the page location. So let's go ahead and actually engagement time by seconds. We've had 206 events in the last 30 minutes. We can see it looks like we got parameter values here that we need to actually go back with and match those so that we know which, I guess, engagement page or pages that we're tracking engagement on. So that will be good to kind of go back and double check on. All the rest of this is kind of good to just kind of get an overview of, but this is kind of the events tag. Then we got pages and screens. And within that section, we can get, I guess, the overview of the screens that everybody is seeing within our website, which pages they're landing on most, and what their kind of journey is taking them through. So all great information to kind of get a look at. Let me know if you guys have any thoughts on this. Let's actually take a look at the real-time view as well, just quickly. So here we have a lot cleaner view of, I guess, the map to get a graphical idea of where our users are actually viewing us from. On top of this, we can add comparisons. We can also add a user snapshot to get a better idea of where all these users are and I guess their activity on the site. And if we want to kind of limit them by any page views or page titles or anything like that, maybe actions that they have taken in terms of purchases or add to carts on the website, that can all kind of be filtered through here. And then by that, we also got users broken down by source and their audience. And that is all great information as well. So let me know if you guys have any questions on this new Google Analytics 4 property. I'm happy to answer any questions that you may have. I'm sure there are a few questions just because this is a new kind of platform that we are setting up within Google Analytics. So happy to answer any questions.